So here's how to create an e-commerce website for free. So to create your free e-commerce website, first of all, go to sites.google.com and go to Templates Gallery. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates available for you to choose from. Go through the options and select the one that you like. For now, I will go with this one. So once you select your template, it will take a few moments to load up. And once it does, it will look something like this. So here on the right side, you have options like insert, pages, themes, and a lot of options that you can use to customize your website. So now, scroll through the page to get a feel of your template. Now, let's scroll up to the top. After that, head over to the top right corner and click on Pages. Here, you will get to see all of the pages available on your template. Now, let's click on the three dots beside one. Here, you can see multiple options that you can choose from, and if you want to delete it, just click on Delete. And as you can see, the page has been deleted from your template. This way, you can keep whichever page that you want. Now, if you scroll through the template, you can see all the elements that you can customize. Now, let's start off by going over to the top left corner and then clicking on Add Logo. After that, you will get to see this pop up. And as you can see, there are multiple options. You can go through different options under Settings to customize your page. For now, we will stick with Brand Images. So here, in order to add a logo, you can choose Upload or Select. Then just select the image from your PC, and as you can see, it's been added right here. So once you're done adding the logo, scroll down and you can also select Use Logo Color for your theme. After that, scroll down and click on Select. Then, you can click on Google Images on the top and search Google for your specific image. So for this example, let's go ahead and search back. And as you can see, all the results from Google are here. Select your desired image and click on Insert on the bottom right. And as you can see, your favicon image has been added. Once you're done, if you go over to the top left corner, you will get to see your image has been added. Now click on this text field and enter a name for your website. Now going back to the template. Here, as you can see, we have this text section. If you want to change it, just select the entire text and type in whatever you want to put here. So for this example, I will just go ahead and type in tutorial, but you can type in whatever that fits your website. You can also change the background image if you want. Just go over to Image on the bottom left and then select Upload or Select. So just like before, let's go ahead and choose Google Images. After that, just type in whatever that you want to search. I will go with stationery. So once you get the results, just go through the images and select the one that you want. And then, as you can see, the image has been updated right here. Now, let's go back to the text. Here, if you select a text, you can change its font from right here. Just go through the options and select the one that you want. You can also set the size, make it bold, and use the other options to customize it. You can also use this Align option to change the position of your text according to your preference. So use these tools to customize your text. Now if you scroll down, you can select different elements just like this. And if you want to delete it, just click on this trash icon and it will be removed instantly. So this way, just go ahead and delete whichever part that you don't want. You can also drag these elements to position them. So once it's done, let's go ahead and change the text of this section. Just select the text just like this. After that, type in your desired text. In this case, I will type in Product 1. And then for the next one, I will change it to Product 2. And in your case, just type in whatever you want. And after it's done, just go ahead and customize the text according to your preference. This way, you can make the text align with your design. And if you want to change these images, just click on the image and then click on the three dots on the top right here. After that, hover over on Replace Image and click on Upload or Select. After that, the same way as before, let's go ahead and select Google Images and search for bags. After that, select the image that you want. Then, click on Insert on the bottom right corner. And as you can see, the image has been added right here. The same way, let's go ahead and select the second image. And click on the three dots as we did before, then go over to Replace Image and then Select. Also, you can select other options like Google Drive, Link, and Photos and choose the images from there. But we will go with Google Images for now. So, let's select the image that you want and click on Insert. And as you can see, our second image has been added as well. So add your preferred images to your website like this and customize them to fit your style. Also, if you select the image, you will see an option on the top that says collapsible. If you enable it, you can collapse the image. For now, let's keep it disabled. And if you select the image and go over to the top, you can click on Insert Link and link the image to a specific page or section of your website. Same way, if we go over to the next image and click on Insert Link, you can put in a link on this image as well. So after you're done, just click on Apply. Now scrolling down, let's go ahead and remove this section right here. So now, if you want to make changes to a different page on your website, go over to the Pages section on the top right corner. After that, select the page that you want to edit. And as you can see, we're now on a different page of the template. So once you're in your desired page, you need to do the same and customize it according to your preference. So let's go ahead and delete this section. Now if you want to add something else here, go over to the top right corner and click on Insert. And if you scroll through, you will get to see a lot of different sections that you can add on your template. So go ahead and go through the options. And if you go down further, you will get to see this option that says Image Carousel. So now click on Select Image. After that, as we did before, go ahead and search on Google Images. Let's go with backpacks again. The same way, go through the images and select the one that you want and click on Insert. So after you're done, you will get to see your image right here. And you can also have the option to add text. But for some reason, I'm not being able to insert this image. So I'll go ahead and click on this plus icon and then click on Select Image. After that, I will go through the same process once again, because for some reason, I wasn't able to insert the previous image. So now, let's go ahead and select our new image and click on Insert once again. And as you can see, the image has been added right here. And after clicking on Insert, the image will be added to your template. And after you're done adding your new image, just go ahead and position it or adjust its size according to your preference. This way, you can drag it and resize it. And once it's in position, let's go ahead and click on Text Box on the top right corner. And as you can see, a new text box has been added on our template. Let's drag it and move it beside the image. And as you can see, it has been added right next to the image. Here, you can type in your desired text. So the same way, let's go ahead and add another text box. Then, move it right below the previous one. This way you can add as many text boxes as you want. And once you're done adding all the boxes, just click on them and type in whatever text that you want. So I will type in name and price. And if you want to delete a certain text box, just click on it and click on the trash icon. Now, let's go over to the right panel and scroll down to Button. Click on Button and then type in a name. For this example, let's go ahead and type in Buy Now. And once you're done, just go over to the link section and choose a page to link. After that, click on Insert. Now, let's drag this button right below the text. And as you can see, our button has now been added. So once you're done making all the changes, just go ahead and click on Publish on the top right corner. And your free e-commerce website will be published. And that is exactly how to create an e-commerce website for free.